to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project, algorithm visualizer, which will be in our terminal. So okay guys, let's get started. So first of all, we'd like to import random time and OC. Next what we would like to do is create a new variable called n equals 20. And next we'd like to do is data equals in our brackets, right, random dot rand int, like random integer from 1 to 20. And next we'd like to do is write for this in range. Oops, I wrote it incorrect. For in range n, the variable that we wrote. So next we write def draw, and in brackets we write ARR. Next we'd like to do, like always, oc.system. Like for the OC we'd like to create a system like clc if oc.name equals in brackets we write, oh my god, in bracket we write int, close it up, and next we do is write else clear. Yep. And then we just create a new loop for v in range. Oh my god, I write it every time incorrect. In range for no, not in range, for v in r. And we write and then we write print with this symbol. I will make it multiply v. Yep. And then we just write time dot sleep 0.05. Next we do is just write for I in range n, and then we write colon, and then we write for g in range, and in brackets write 0 n minus I minus 1, and colon, and inside of it we write draw data if data j, instead of brackets we write j, and then we like put greater than, and then we write data and open up the brackets and write j plus 1. Yep. Colon, and inside of it we write data j, then comma, then data j plus 1, then we write comma and write no, not comma, then we write equals data brackets j plus 1, comma, data Okay. And lastly, we write draw dot data in brackets without dot. Yep. And we write print sorted. Yep. Let's save it up and let's run it. So as you see, guys, we've got something looking like this in our terminal. So okay guys, it was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.